Claudine here, and I'm gonna cut our cabbage because we're gonna make our famous red cabbage salad. You're gonna love this. It's so simple, it's unbelievable. We're gonna use toasted sesame seeds, one lime, juice from one lime, and about a quarter cup of olive oil. Good olive oil is what you need. I'm just gonna slice it up and you'll be able to look and see exactly how to do this. So what I've done is I'm cut the cabbage in a quarter here, and really quickly I'm just going to cut it into slivers. That's all I'm going to do. So I've got this all chopped up. We're just going to put it in the bowl. I'm going to throw in my lime. This is pretty simple. If you don't use this type of hack for your lime, you're missing out. Because I have so much cabbage, this is a half a head here. We're going to use all of the lime. Quarter cup of olive oil. I like lots of olive oil, so I put lots on. And now what really makes it is toasted sesame seeds. I love them. You can use white ones. I just happen to have black. That's why I use those black sesames. And you stir it around really good. Oh, see how it's getting all shiny? That tells me I got enough oil in it. Salt, pepper to taste. So let's give it a try. See how it turned out. OMGs, is that good?